Beyond the Universe, 5th Standard English Poem. I dream of flying beyond the earth, amidst the plants and the countless stars. I would stop by the red planet Mars. Here we dream of a home away from home. Fly on toward the Saturn with its ring and moons. Then I stopped by Jupiter more. Well, by it red storm that looked like marbles. Then I stopped by Jupiter, marveled by its red storms that look like marbles. Hurtling through a belt of asteroids, I crossed Uranus without a fuss. To Neptune, the blue ice giant. Further high, I fly beyond the galaxy to meet the creator of this magnificent display, to take me beyond the Milky Way, to voyage across the galaxies, to take me beyond the Milky Way, to voyage across the galaxies. வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.